Let's discuss a tutorial. A 500 volt DC series motor has 4 poles and wave wound armature with 948 conductors. Armature and field resistance together is 2 ohm. The total mechanical torque developed is 20 kilogram meter and the flux per pole is 0.05 Weber. Calculate current taken by motor and speed of the motor. So in the question, the value of V is given to us, value of Z is given to us, wave wound armature. So A is equals to 2. We know for the wave wound armature A is equals to 2, for lap A is equals to P. Okay. So this is wave, so A is equals to 2. Okay. The value of flux is given to us phi. Armature and field resistance together is 2, means Ra plus Rs is 2 ohm. Mechanical torque is 20 kilogram meter. And we want to calculate the motor current and motor speed. So we know Eb is equals to phi p Zn upon 60A. Substitute the value of various parameters. 0.05 is the flux, multiplied by number of poles is 4, P is equals to 4, okay, multiplied by N because we want to calculate the speed, multiplied by 948 divided by 60 into 2. We will get Eb is equals to 1.58 N. The another equation from the voltage equation of a DC series motor, we know Eb is equals to V minus Ia bracket Ra plus Rse. We know the value of V, we know the value of Ra plus Rse. So just substitute here. So Eb will be 500 minus Ia into 2, or we can say Eb is equals to 500 minus 2 Ia. Equating equation 1 and equation 2, because the left hand side of equation 1 and equation 2 is Eb. So we can equate both the equations. So we get 1.58 N is equals to 500 minus 2A. Mechanical torque developed is equals to Eb Ia. We also know the power is equals to tau into omega. So if we substitute the value of omega, tau and Eb, we can get some value. Okay. So substitute omega is equal to 2 pi n upon 60 because we know it. Tau is equals to 20 kilogram meter. So first of all we have to convert it into Newton meter. So what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 9.81. So it will be 196.2 Newton meter. So we have substituted the value of tau into omega, 2 pi n upon 60 is equals to, we have substituted the value of Eb from equation number 2, 500 minus 2 Ia, and Ia is as it is. Okay. We can also write down this equation like this. After solving this, we get 20.54 N is equals to 500 minus 2 Ia into Ia. Okay. Substituting 500 minus 2 Ia is equals to 1.58 N in equation number 4, because we know this relation from equation number 3 in equation number 4. If we substitute the value of this, both side will be in the N format. Okay. So 20.54 N is equals to 1.58 N into Ia. So Ia is here. So both side N will be cancelled out. So Ia is equals to 20.54 divided by 1.58. So the Ia is 13 ampere. Substituting Ia is equals to 13 ampere in equation number 3. So 1.58 is equals to N is equals to 500 minus 2 IA, and IA is 13 ampere, so 13 is here. So 1.58 N is equals to 500 minus 26, or we can say 1.58 N is equals to 474. So from here we can get the value of N is equals to 474 divided by 1.58 is equals to 300 RPM. So the speed of the motor is 300 RPM, while the armature current of the motor, or the motor current, because the armature current is equals to the motor current. For the series motor we know IA is equals to ISE is equals to I. So the motor will take 13 ampere and the speed of the motor is 300 RPM. Thank you.